Hey everybody, this is Pete Downing of XenTegra. I am going to take you through a simple demo of the IGEL UD Pocket today. So you've already seen a couple videos of me booting an IGEL UD Pocket on a Mac device, and you've also seen me do it on a PC. What I want to do really quickly is just show you the IGEL Universal Management Suite. And basically, this is where you can manage all your IGEL thin clients. Now the great thing about this is you can also take any PC in your organization, as long as it's x86 Intel based, and convert it to a thin client and then manage them from this UI. So there's a great tool, and I'm going to show that in another demo, but today let's focus on the UD Pocket. So really quick, as you can see, I have my UD Pocket sitting here right here, and I can see that it's green, it's fully managed, and then I have a base profile that I created. And what I'm going to do is, if I right click and that brings up the profile settings, I can just show you really quick. I've done two things. One, I've gone in and I've configured my Citrix receiver. I've also gone in and configured my storefront and the server. And then also you can go in and do browser. So I'm going to show you two scenarios. I'm going to show you using the built-in Linux-based receiver, and then I'm also going to show you how to configure your browser. So what you can do is you can set up a browser session, and you can go in and actually have that browser session auto restart and restart. So auto start means when you log in, it's going to show the browser, and restart means if the user closes the browser, they're going to get it. And then when you're done, you can apply and send this to the thin client. So if you click that, it's going to ask you, hey, do you want to send this to the thin client, or do you want to do it on next boot? And in this case, since I didn't change anything, it's not going to ask me that. So I'll hit save for right now, and we're going to jump over to the UD Pocket. So what I've done is I've VNC'd into the UD Pocket. I'm going to full screen this, and we are now looking at the UD Pocket. So I have my Mac device booted right now as an IGEL thin client using the UD Pocket. Now, there's two scenarios that I want to show you. The first scenario is simple. I just want to log on to my Citrix receiver using the Linux built-in receiver that IGEL provides. So I'm going to log in as a user Bart, and we're going to put in our super secured password, and we log in, and you're going to see eventually the icons pop up on the desktop of all the applications you have access to. So here you have all your applications, and if, let's say, I double click on one, it's going to open up Notepad++, and if I double click on, let's say, Word, they're able to run Windows-based applications on a Linux-based thin client. So really cool. It's a really cool product. I recommend it for the use cases of BYO, Mac users who don't want you to touch their Mac, things like that. So let's log off, and I'm going to show you the other scenario, which is the browser-based option. So so really quick, let's say I'm a user and I shut this browser down. It's going to automatically restart and pop back up and show me the screen. So that just shows you that, hey, this auto restarts, and then if I try to close it, it's going to auto restart again. So let's log on as Bart, and you're going to see, I already have a favorite here. I'm going to double click on this, and it's going to open up Notepad through the storefront. So as you can see, it's pretty universal, and you're able to manage it centrally. So again, really quick, what did you just see? You saw me, spin up a Mac device using the UD Pocket, turn it into a thin client, and then use it to connect to a Citrix backend, XenApp, and XenDesktop. So that is it. And again, if you have any questions, please reach out and make some comments in the blog. Have a great day.